Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where we try something that's spicy, and if it is, we'll let you know. Anyways, today we've got this. This is a cup of Buldak cheese. This will be, I think, your 6th, maybe 7th mukbang.
I'm not sure, 6 or 7.
Yeah, 6 or 7. Anyways, that's quite a lot.
Yeah.
Here's what we got. As you can see, the cheese powder. It showed in the pictures of it that it had the little bits of seaweed. That is not present in this one. There's a little bit of chicken, a little bit of sesame seed that I threw in there. So, yeah. Well, let's have our obligatory beverage hit. Grab your weapon, sir.
Come right up.
Grab your meal stuff. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Set.
Go. It tastes not bad.
Yeah.
I'm giving it a 4.75 star rating.
Eat some more first.
Okay.
In fact, over here is all the cheese powder. So you got to get the cheese powder on it. Yeah, I mean, it's not incredibly cheesy.
No.
It's not. It's definitely spicy. Try hitting this up. And you got to get the cheese on it. You got to get some of the cheese powder on there. There you go. I will say, of our review or mukbangs, this is probably leaning toward a more spicier one. This seems spicier than original does nowadays. It's got some good heat to it. Keep going. You're the one who said you were going to try to eat the whole thing. You're trying to put me out of a job. Jeez. You should try the chicken.
The chicken? Let it eat first.
Okay. Fine sauteed chicken. Yeah. Harpoon it. Boom. Go on. Chew it up.
It's spicy.
Everything's spicy here. Go on. You can do it, sir. You don't like the chicken?
No.
Okay, well, have some more noodles then.
Yeah, noodles, Bex.
You put the chicken back in?
Oh.
No. Put it on your napkin. Just pick it up. It's not going to hurt you. It won't bite.
Oh, no. This tastes like Mexican cheese.
It does?
Uh-huh.
This is not the Quattro.
No.
No. I'm getting like the tiniest bit of cheese hit off of this. It's like, I don't know, practically undetectable. Did you get chicken?
No.
Did you get sesame seed?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You know what? I'll actually bring it here.
Okay. Are you going to have some more or you tap it out?
I'm going to have some a little bit more.
Okay.
And then I'll tap out.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Yeah, that's significantly more spicy than we've really tried of anything yet. Yeah. Well, what do you think of that one?
It was a little spicy first, and then when I keep eating it, the spice builds up feels.
Yeah, it does. It does build up. Well, cool. Another one in the can. All right. Well, maybe next time I'll skip on the garnish.
Oh yeah.
But had to give it a try. Anyways, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.